When you think of ocean life, you might picture dolphins leaping gracefully through the waves, or perhaps the sleek, powerful form of a shark gliding silently below the surface. These creatures often steal the spotlight in our imaginations, representing the beauty and danger of the sea. But let's shift our focus to a true survivor, one that's often overlooked, yet just as fascinating: the lobster. This remarkable crustacean has been navigating the ocean's depths for millions of years, adapting to challenges that would defeat most other creatures. The lobster isn't just seafood on a dinner plate, it's the ocean's armored knight, clad in a tough exoskeleton and equipped with bizarre abilities that set it apart from anything else in the sea. Its resilience is legendary, and its story is one of survival against the odds. For starters, lobsters taste with their feet, using tiny sensory hairs to detect chemicals in the water and find food hidden among rocks and sand. Every step they take is a search for their next meal. Even more astonishing, lobsters communicate by squirting urine from their faces, a unique way to send messages to rivals or potential mates. And if that wasn't strange enough, their blood runs blue, thanks to a copper-based molecule called hemocyanin, which helps them survive in the cold, oxygen-poor waters of the Atlantic. These creatures are true masters of their rocky kingdoms, carving out homes in crevices and defending their territory with powerful claws. Some lobsters can live for over a century, enduring harsh winters and thriving in the frigid Atlantic depths where few others dare to venture. Far from being simple scavengers, lobsters are skilled predators and fierce fighters. They hunt, they battle, and they play a vital role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystem, keeping populations of other marine creatures in check. Their journey from tiny, nearly invisible larvae drifting in the open ocean to a mighty adult is a tale of endurance and constant adaptation. Each stage of their life is filled with challenges, from escaping predators to finding shelter and food. So, let's dive beneath the waves and explore the hidden world of the sea's ultimate clawed champion. There's so much more to lobsters than meets the eye, and their secrets are waiting to be discovered. The lobster story is one of survival, evolution, and the hidden wonders that lie beneath the waves, reminding us that even the most unlikely creatures can be heroes in the vast, mysterious ocean. A lobster is an invertebrate, which means it doesn't have a backbone. Instead, it's supported by a tough exoskeleton, its personal suit of armor. This hard shell not only protects the lobster from predators, but also gives it a unique, almost prehistoric appearance. The exoskeleton is made of chitin, a strong and flexible material that must be shed and regrown as the lobster grows, a process called molting. During molting, lobsters are especially vulnerable, hiding away until their new shell hardens. Lobsters belong to a group of animals called crustaceans, which also includes crabs, shrimp, and crayfish. All of these creatures share certain features, like jointed legs and segmented bodies. Lobsters are also classified as decapods, meaning they have 10 legs. These legs are not just for walking, they help the lobster move, dig, and even sense its surroundings. The first pair of legs forms its iconic claws, which are actually different from each other. One is a crusher claw, used for breaking shells and hard objects, while the other is a pincher, perfect for cutting and tearing. The remaining legs help the lobster crawl along the seafloor, giving it a slow but steady gait. Lobsters also have long, sensitive antennae that help them feel their way around in the dark, murky waters where they live. These antennae are crucial for detecting food, sensing danger, and communicating with other lobsters. The American lobster, known scientifically as Homerus americanus, is the most well-known species. It thrives in the cold, rocky waters of the North Atlantic Ocean, ranging from the coast of Canada all the way down to North Carolina. These environments provide plenty of hiding spots and food sources. Lobsters are solitary and territorial creatures. They spend most of their time alone, patrolling their dens at night and hiding in crevices or burrows during the day. This nocturnal lifestyle helps them avoid predators and hunt for food under the cover of darkness. Their body is divided into two main parts: the cephalothorax, which combines the head and thorax under a single protective shell, and the muscular segmented tail. The cephalothorax houses vital organs in the eyes, while the tail is packed with powerful muscles. That tail isn't just for show, it's a powerful escape tool. When threatened, a lobster can rapidly flick its tail, propelling itself backward in a sudden burst of speed. This quick movement helps it evade predators and disappear into the safety of the rocks. With its tough armor, formidable claws, and surprising agility, the lobster is a true survivor. Its adaptations make it a dominant and respected presence on the ocean floor, able to defend itself and compete for territory. Perfectly adapted for a life of stealth, strength, and survival, the lobster is a fascinating example of nature's ingenuity, thriving in a world full of challenges beneath the waves. The lobster's claws are its signature feature, each with a unique job. The crusher claw is big and powerful, built to smash shells and access tough prey. The pincher claw is slimmer and sharper, perfect for tearing flesh and handling food. Young lobsters start with identical claws. Whichever gets used more for crushing becomes the crusher. This means lobsters can be right or left-clawed, depending on their early habits. Claws aren't just for eating, they're weapons for defense and tools for communication. Lobsters raise their claws to warn off predators and battle rivals for territory. The biggest claws usually win, securing the best dens and mates. These versatile appendages are central to every aspect of lobster life. Lobsters aren't just bottom feeders, they're active hunters and opportunistic predators. Their diet includes crabs, mollusks, sea urchins, and marine worms, plus any easy meal they find. Inside, they have a gastric mill, internal teeth that grind even the toughest shells. At night, lobsters patrol the seabed, using sensitive antennae and leg hairs to detect prey. The crusher claw breaks shells, the pincher tears the meal apart. They're also vital scavengers, recycling nutrients and cleaning the ocean floor. In tough times, lobsters may even turn cannibal, preying on vulnerable members of their own kind. This adaptability makes them both efficient predators and essential ecosystem cleaners. Lobsters are survivors thriving by any means necessary. In the dim ocean depths, lobsters rely on senses beyond sight. Their bodies are covered in chemosensory hairs, letting them taste and smell their surroundings. Long antennae detect distant chemical cues and water movement, while shorter antennules pinpoint food sources. Lobsters walk slowly, conserving energy and staying alert. But when threatened, they flick their tails, launching themselves backward in a rapid escape. This charadoid escape reaction is their ultimate defense, confusing predators with a burst of speed and sand. Their combination of sharp senses and powerful reflexes makes them masters of survival. Millions of years of evolution have honed these skills to perfection. A lobster's exoskeleton doesn't grow, so it must molt, shedding its shell to get bigger. This process is essential for its survival and growth, but it comes with significant risks and challenges. Molting is risky. The lobster swells with water, cracks its old shell, and struggles free, emerging soft and vulnerable. During this time, the lobster is at its most defenseless, unable to protect itself from predators or harsh environmental conditions. It hides for weeks as its new shell hardens, unable to feed or defend itself. This period of hiding is crucial, as the lobster's new shell is soft and offers little protection. The lobster must find a safe place to conceal itself until it can regain its strength and mobility. Many don't survive this process, but those that do can grow up to 20% larger in a single molt. Young lobsters molt often. Their rapid growth requires frequent shedding of their exoskeletons. This frequent molting allows them to quickly increase in size and strength. Older ones, only every few years. As lobsters age, the frequency of molting decreases, but the process remains just as critical. Each molt represents a significant investment of energy and resources. Lobsters produce telomerase, an enzyme that repairs DNA, making them biologically immortal. They don't age like humans. This unique biological feature allows lobsters to maintain their cellular health and continue growing throughout their lives. They can die from predation, disease, or molting exhaustion, but theoretically, there's no upper age limit. Despite their biological advantages, lobsters face numerous threats in their natural habitat. Some may live over a century, growing to impressive sizes. These ancient lobsters are a testament to the resilience and adaptability of the species. This cycle of shedding and renewal is key to their longevity and resilience. Each molt is a step towards greater strength and survival, allowing lobsters to thrive in their underwater world. Molting is both their greatest vulnerability and their secret to survival. It is a delicate balance of risk and reward, a process that defines the life of a lobster. Lobster biology is as strange as their appearance. Their blood is clear, turning blue when exposed to oxygen, thanks to copper-based hemocyanin. Communication is equally bizarre. Lobsters squirt pheromone-rich urine from their faces to signal dominance or readiness to mate. This chemical language helps avoid fights and coordinate courtship. Lobsters can also regenerate lost limbs, growing them back over several molts. This ability is crucial in their combative world, letting them recover from injuries that would be fatal to others. Their physiology is a testament to adaptation and survival. Every trait, from blue blood to facial urination, serves a purpose in their harsh environment. Lobsters are truly one of nature's oddest success stories. Most lobsters are greenish-brown, blending perfectly with their rocky habitat. Their color comes from pigments like astaxanthin, which appears red when cooked but looks blue or yellow when bound to proteins. Rare genetic mutations can produce blue, yellow, calico, or even ghost white lobsters. Blue lobsters are 1 in 2 million. Albinos, 1 in 100 million. These rare colors are beautiful, but make lobsters easy targets for predators. Camouflage is key to survival, so most colorful lobsters don't last long in the wild. The next time you see a bright lobster, remember, it's a rare marvel of genetics and chance. Their colors tell a story of adaptation and the risks of standing out. Lobsters are keystone species, shaping their ecosystem by controlling sea urchin populations and protecting kelp forests. As scavengers, they recycle nutrients and keep the seafloor clean, supporting the entire marine food web. Their ecological role is matched by their economic importance. Lobster fisheries sustain thousands of coastal families. The lobster is a cultural icon in New England and Atlantic Canada, symbolizing the bond between people and the sea. From their armored bodies to their vital place in the ecosystem, lobsters are more than just a meal. They're predators, engineers, and economic pillars. Next time you see a lobster, remember the incredible story it represents. Lobsters remind us of the resilience and wonder hidden beneath the ocean's surface.